Your home is still unsold? Why? Every seller wants her house to sell fast and bring top dollar. You may already have your next home picked out. You may need to downsize or relocate for a new job. In any case, your house is on the market and the clock is ticking. However, you soon realize things are not going as expected. You've invested in getting the house in shape and held open houses. But where are all the buyers? Where are all the offers? Spring comes and goes, and your house goes unsold. It lands in the dreaded land of expired listings. What happened? Let's get real. It wasn't the bad economy. It wasn't the tight mortgage market. It wasn't the lack of interest in your home. Your home didn't sell because your marketing plan didn't work. The number one reason home sellers pay a real estate agent a commission is so that agent can put in place an effective, professional marketing plan. If the agent you're interviewing doesn't show you a comprehensive marketing plan, then you should immediately show that agent the door. Selling real estate in this high-technology age is challenging and competitive to say the least. The old days of just sticking a sign in the yard and waiting for buyer calls to roll in have long been over. A top realtor will have a strategy and plan in place to generate the exposure your home needs to get the attention of interested buyers. Home sellers have a tough job when trying to find an agent who has what it takes to get the job done. Not every agent is going to have the resources, knowledge, or commitment to put in place the type of marketing plan that will attract qualified buyers to your listing. A solid marketing plan takes extra effort and specialized skills, but it takes that solid plan to help you obtain the most money for your home, sell the home quickly without making sacrifices, and minimize the inconveniences of selling. Don't let your home go unsold. Make sure you hire an agent who replaces excuses with effort and replaces failure with determination.